Hello everyone! This is the third lesson. In the previous ones, we got familiar with the program and its tools. In this one, we will dive deeper into modeling without being distracted by the tools and their location. So, we will start with a cube and will gradually create a silhouette. This is not the most complex model, but I think it will be quite enough for you to gain some useful experience. At least, you will be able to open the program and do something in it yourselves without any fear. The video will be accelerated a bit. We will only stop from time to time to cover important aspects and tools, since we've covered how to work with objects and other UI tools in the previous lessons. If you're going to create the precise longboard and repeat after me, I recommend that you use a rough list.